Hi you guys, welcome to the KK Lifestyle. Today I am so excited to be showing you guys how to do a Keratage smooth and straight treatment. So I was a hairstylist behind the chair for about 12 years and for about 5 of those almost exclusively used Keratage shampoos and conditioners. I really fell in love with the brand. If you were a past client of mine, I probably sold you some of their products. What is really unique about Keratage is that they get some of the minerals that they use in their products from the Dead Sea. Historically, the Dead Sea is a place where people go for healing and beautification and detoxification, and they take those minerals and put them right into their product. They are processed from the southern end of the Dead Sea where the mineral content is the highest, and the therapeutic properties of these minerals are just going to be amazing for your hair and scalp. Keratage products are made with some of the finest ingredients. It is 100% organic ingredients. Things like sweet almond oil and jojoba oil, as well as shea butter, are going to keep your hair moisturized and have a lot of anti-aging properties in it that are going to protect your hair from natural things that happen to our hair at certain ages. Keratage also has a patent technology called Keratin technology, which is derived from keratin from sheep's wool from a privately owned farm in New Zealand, which I think is really, really neat. That protein is going to make your hair really strong while also keeping it really moisturized. So it is concentrated down and put into their products directly. And you don't need a lot of product when you're using Keratage because their products are so concentrated. You get so much in a little bit. So where, you know, with other brands you may have to use a lot of product and that could cause your hair to be weighted down, you don't have to use a lot of Keratage because it is so packed with nutrients and minerals in their small amounts of product. Things that I love about Keratage besides the obvious ingredients are just that, like I said, you don't have to use a lot, so a little bit's gonna go a long way, so you don't have to continually purchase product so often because one bottle is gonna last you a long time. What I also love about Keratage is that they are instant gratification. You don't have to use this product for a long time to see that it's working. You can use it and immediately your hair feels softer as soon as you put it on. I have super thick curly hair. You can't tell right now because I've smoothed it out with the Straight and Smooth treatment, but my curly hair tends to get really dry, especially at the length that it's at right now because I haven't gotten a haircut in too long, but I can instantly feel that dryness softening as soon as I use the products, and that's what I love because so many shampoos and conditioners just don't give you that instant softness that I'm looking for when I'm drying my hair, and it also doesn't weigh my hair down. I have my hair super straight and smooth, but you can see I still have bounce, I still have volume, and that's exactly what I'm looking for with my hair type. So I'm about to show you step by step how this works. Thank you again, Keratage, for sending these amazing products. I will link everything in the description box so that you can shop easily. And there will also be a blog post that'll go along with this video. So hope you enjoy. Let's jump right in. Hey you guys, so as I mentioned in the intro, I am doing a Keratage smooth and straight treatment today. I have already washed my hair. I just got out of the shower. I've done nothing else to it. I used the Nutritious shampoo. This is the shampoo that I always use. If you were a client of mine previously, you know that I love Keratage and I sold it in the salon. It is literally my favorite brand because of all of the reasons that I mentioned in the intro, but this shampoo works instantly. That is why I love it so much, because you can literally just feel your hair immediately getting softer, and when you have super coarse hair like mine, it's really important to feel that because you know that it's going to make it more manageable for you to style. So I always use the Nutritious shampoo. It is the heaviest formula, so if you have finer or medium texture hair, you may want to go with the Fortifying or the Shine Booster. So they are color coded. So the Fortifying is the yellow and the Shine Booster is the green. So in order of heaviness, it goes yellow, green, red, and you don't have to be married to one color. So if your hair is going through a time of extreme dryness and you need to use the red, like if you are a brunette and you're trying to go blonde, you may want to start using the red just because you know you're going to have some super dry times. But if you know, are going through a period where you've been blonde and you kind of want to go darker, you might need to use the green because you need that extra shine as you are transitioning your hair from that blonde to brown. Also used the Nutritious mask. This is actually what I use for conditioner all the time. One, because it doesn't weigh my hair down, and two, because I only wash my hair about twice a week. So this really isn't that big of a deal for me. If I was using it every day, it would probably be weighing my hair down, but it's not. So it's super thick, which is why I really like it. It's got shea butter. What else does it have? It has all kinds of great things in it. Jojoba oil, the Dead Sea minerals, obviously, that I mentioned earlier. But what I like about this, again, is that you can instantly feel your hair getting softer when you're using it. It's instant gratification. You don't have to use it over an amount of time for it to start working. It works immediately. It's also very concentrated, so you do not have to use a ton of it. You really only want to use a small amount. It's almost out. I need another one. Okay, so my next step after I've washed and shampooed and conditioned with the mask, I'm gonna do a cocktail of this soft and smooth blow dry balm. You only need a little bit of this. I did about 2.5 pumps, and I'm gonna cocktail that with the enhancing serum. Love this serum. I use it every night. I'm just doing 1 pump because again, you really don't need a lot, but this is a super gentle formula. It has avocado oil, almond oil, evening primrose oil, which is rich in fatty acids and essential nutrients to protect your hair from further damage. It has vitamin E for antioxidant protection. It has rose hip oil and keratin, and it has jojoba oil to promote elasticity and bounce. You love the bounce. So I did 1 pump of that and 2 pumps of the soft and smooth blow dry balm, designed to smooth out the cuticle, enhance shine, repair split ends, eliminate frizz, and reduce blow dry time. And it really does all of those things. So, and I'm gonna rub that in, and I'm gonna put that, I'm just gonna pull 2 sections. So I kind of divided my hair in half, and I'm just kind of putting that all over. I always start with the majority of the product on the ends and then just kind of put, because I do have some shorter layers up here, so just kind of put that there. And then I'm going to use my wet brush to detangle. You can see how easily my brush is going through my hair because of all of these really rich shea butters and moisturizing products. This side of my hair always gets a little bit more tangly, but it's still going right through. The wet brush is the most gentle brush you can use for brushing your hair. Perfect. So I'm going to take a little break because I like to let my hair air dry as much as possible just to reduce damage. So I've got those products in there already working, and then we're going to do another step before we blow dry, so I will be back with you in a little bit. Okay, so I have let my hair air dry for a few hours. I did kind of go ahead and re-wet some areas around my face. You can see how curly my hair really is. But my next step is just going to spray the Keratin Thermal Protection Spray for heat protectant as I blow dry it. It is safe for color treated hair. It is sulfate free. It has their Keratin technology. It is designed to prevent hair damage and breakage by properly preparing the hair for blow drying and heat styling. So I'm just gonna spritz this all over, and then I'm gonna get my blow dry done. I'm using my Dry Bar Double Shot Blow Dry Brush because I think it does the best on my hair. I'm just gonna section it in a few sections and get this smooth hair, and then we'll go on with the next steps. Okay, you guys, so you can see how smooth my hair got just from basic blow drying with my blow dry brush and using this smooth and straight treatment. I do feel like I need a little bit of flat ironing just because my hair is so long. It just needs a little bit of smoothness on the ends, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I'm going to spray the Keratin thermal protection spray one more time before I hit it with the heat. I'm just not gonna do as much as I did before the blow dry. So I'm gonna hold it out pretty far and just do a little spritz on each side. And then I'm gonna go in and smooth these ends. Okay, you guys, this is the final result. As you can see, my hair is incredibly smooth. It's very shiny. I absolutely love these products. Thank you, Keratage, for sending me these amazing treatments. I absolutely am a Keratageaholic. I love it. I'm a loyal user and have been for very many years, so I'm very experienced with these products and really appreciate them noticing that and taking the time to send me those things. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will link all the products used in this video in the description box, as well as the blog post that goes along with this video. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any exclusive KK Lifestyle content. Thanks so much. Have a good day.